Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, and seeing this message. Your job has been automated. No warning, no second chance. This isn't the future. It's already happening. But don't panic. AI is moving fast, and it's already replacing jobs you never thought would disappear. Stay with me because what I'll show you next could change everything about your career. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 jobs AI is replacing, and more importantly, how you can stay ahead and make AI work for you, not against you. Watch closely, because job number 7 is disappearing faster than anyone expected. You need to know this before it's too late. If you want to stay ahead of AI and actually make money in the future, hit that subscribe button now. I post simple strategies that really work. AI can either replace you or help you succeed. The choice is yours, and your future starts with what you do today. Just a few years ago, AI was just a tool. Now it writes emails, designs graphics, and even answers customer questions, all in seconds. The world is changing faster than ever. AI isn't just in offices. It's in homes, creating music, making videos, and controlling our world. Everywhere you look, AI is working, often without anyone noticing. So the real question isn't, will AI take jobs? The real question is your job safe? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Data entry clerks are disappearing faster than ever. AI can type, sort, and organize massive amounts of data, all without a single mistake, and way faster than any human ever could. Many companies no longer need a team of 10 employees. Just one person with AI can handle all the work, saving time, money, and effort like never before. Imagine Excel sheets filling automatically, reports generating in seconds, and data flowing seamlessly, all powered by smart AI tools working alongside humans. The difference is astonishing. While humans struggle to keep up, AI completes tasks instantly and flawlessly, transforming the way businesses operate. This massive shift means jobs are changing quickly. To survive in this world, you need to adapt, upskill, and learn how to work effectively with AI. Start learning essential tech skills today: Excel automation, AI tools, or data analytics, and you'll remain valuable, even as AI takes over repetitive tasks. You've probably already talked to AI without even realizing it. Every chat you send, every question you ask online, it's AI working quietly behind the scenes, 24/7. Customer support is changing fast. Chatbots are now handling complaints, refunds, and questions around the clock, faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. Unlike humans, AI never gets tired or takes breaks. No sleep, no coffee, no vacations, it just keeps running, helping customers non-stop. If you want to survive in this AI era, focus on what machines can't replace: emotions, empathy, and real human connection in customer service. AI can answer questions and solve problems, but it cannot comfort a frustrated customer or build a meaningful relationship. That's where humans shine. The future belongs to those who adapt. Learn emotional skills, relationship management, and empathy, because AI will handle the rest. Blogs, articles, scripts. AI can now write everything in seconds. What used to take hours is now done instantly, and companies are quickly replacing human writers. Here's the shocking truth: these AI tools cost less than a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, human writers still work long hours for a fraction of efficiency. If you only rely on typing words, your job could disappear. The writing world is changing faster than ever, and staying the same is not an option. So how do you survive this AI revolution? Don't just focus on writing. Master strategy, storytelling, and building a strong personal brand that AI can't copy. Focus on the skills AI can't replace: human creativity, emotional insight, and real connections with people. These are your superpowers in the new world. Stand out and become the writer AI can't replace. Upgrade your skills, learn the secrets of storytelling, and secure your future before it's too late. Job 4: Graphic designers. AI can now create logos, thumbnails, and social media posts in seconds. You don't need years of experience, just a spark of creativity, and AI does the rest. This doesn't mean designers are useless. It means average designers are at risk of being left behind. The future belongs to those who adapt fast and think smarter. Imagine juggling dozens of designs at once. AI can generate them instantly, saving hours of work. But the real power lies in what you do with it. The key to surviving? Become a creative thinker, not just a designer. Focus on ideas, innovation, and storytelling, things AI can't replicate. Collaborate with AI, boost your creativity, and thrive in this new era. Tools are powerful, but your imagination is even stronger. Job number 5, translators. AI can now translate languages instantly in real time. Something that once took hours of human effort now happens in seconds. From English to Chinese to Spanish and beyond, AI tools are breaking language barriers across the world faster than ever before. And the technology keeps getting smarter every single day. Today, many companies no longer need basic translators, because AI can handle simple translation tasks faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans. This means thousands of translation jobs, especially entry-level ones, are slowly disappearing as automation takes over more of the work. Imagine working all day with numbers, and suddenly AI does it in seconds. No stress, no mistakes. What used to take hours now happens instantly. On one side, a human slowly typing reports, on the other, AI finishes everything in seconds. Faster, cheaper, and more accurate than ever before. Offices are changing fast. Desks are empty. Computers are still working, but humans are disappearing. Basic accounting jobs are now at serious risk. AI can track expenses, calculate taxes, and generate full reports, all in seconds. No breaks. No salary. Just pure efficiency. But here's the smart move: don't compete with AI. Move ahead of it. Learn financial strategy and become the advisor companies truly need. This is the big one. Self-driving technology is advancing faster than ever. Trucks, taxis, delivery drivers, everything is changing. Jobs at risk. Millions of drivers could lose their jobs. Roads once full of people are now being taken over by machines. Rise of AI driving. Autonomous cars and trucks are navigating traffic without a single human behind the wheel. The future is here. The disappearance. Imagine this: drivers slowly fading from their seats, replaced by AI that never sleeps, never gets tired. Studio microphone prompt 5 survival message. But there's hope. Learn skills AI cannot replace: decision-making, problem-solving, and stay ahead in the game. Most people think AI is only taking jobs, but that's only half the story. Every day, AI is opening doors to careers we never imagined. From coding to design, new opportunities are emerging. Humans are now creating, guiding, and enhancing AI, jobs that didn't exist before. Change isn't something to fear. It's a chance to grow, to innovate, and to step into the future with new, exciting careers. Don't fear AI, learn it today. Master the tools that can make your life easier and your skills stronger. The future truly favors those who adapt fast. Communication is absolutely key. Sharpen your personal skills, confidently connect with people, and make yourself indispensable in any team or career. Start building a reliable online income today. From freelancing to e-commerce, digital opportunities are endless if you take the first smart step. Never stop learning and growing. Take courses, read daily, practice new skills, and adapting quickly is your strongest defense against change. Move fast and stay focused. The world changes extremely quickly, and those who act now will shape the bright future instead of being left behind. The future belongs fully to you. Embrace AI, stay curious and motivated, and thrive. Survival isn't enough, it's about growing stronger every single day. So now I want to ask you, which job do you think will disappear next? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Let's see what you think. Remember, AI isn't your enemy, but ignoring it could be your biggest mistake. The world is changing fast, and only those who adapt will thrive. The future is coming faster than ever, and only the prepared will win. Subscribe now to stay ahead, because your opportunity won't wait.